Forgot to hit record. Okay, multiplying polynomials part 2, multiplying binomials. Binomials, what's that? Right, the prefix bi means that there's two, or in this case, two terms. Each polynomial is going to have two terms. So, here's number one. Let's just jump in. Number one, what if I have 2x plus 3 times 5x plus, I don't know, 4? Anybody seen that before? Has anybody ever seen that before? No? You have, Dean? Yesterday? No. We have seen this? Okay, I'm going to tell you how I want you to do it. Okay, because there's another way to do it where you kind of distribute. This one gets multiplied to both of these, and this one gets multiplied to both of these. But I don't want you to use that method. I want you to use when it's a 2 by 2, when it's 2 and 2, or when it's 3 and 3, when it's the same number of terms, it's called the Punnett Square. Has anybody ever heard of the Punnett Square? Okay. Later when you get to, I think, biology it is or something, when you're looking at like your genes, you'll use a Punnett Square. A Punnett Square. It's going to be similar to this, but that's for obviously a Punnett Square. If you look on YouTube, it's also known as the box method. Okay, here's how you set it up. Here's how you set this up. We got to set this problem up to do. Okay, 2x plus 3, 5x plus 4. We know there's two terms here, right? And we also know there's another 2 over here. So what you're going to do, this means it's going to have 2 rows and 2 columns. Go ahead and create a box that has 2 rows and 2 columns. Well, that would be like this. Right? A box or a Punnett Square. 2 rows. Oh, just put a line in the middle, right? Oh no, those are columns. 2 columns. Columns are this way. Rows are this way, yeah. Everybody agree there's 2 rows and there's 2 columns? Yeah. And it's not going to matter where you put this 2x plus 3. You can put them up on this side, or you can put them over here on this side. Has anybody seen this before? Raise your hand if you've seen this before. You have? Okay, Dana, go ahead. Tell me where to put 2x plus 3. You forgot. Okay, that's fine. 8th grade. 2x, and then plus 3 will be over here. You could have put them on this side. It's not going to matter. You'll see right now. And over here, then the other ones will be what? 5x and plus 4. Yeah? You guys see how this is getting set up? This is to set it up so that you get all the terms correct, and then you multiply all the terms. You see what's happening? Okay, this is the setup. I'm going to leave it like this. I don't want to touch this and make a big sloppy mess. I'm just going to copy it over. You might want to do the same thing in your notes. I'm going to copy it over again. You guys know what's going to happen? Anybody knows what goes next? You multiply? Okay, go ahead. If you think you know, go ahead and multiply. 2x plus 3. I'm just going to copy it over so I can keep this other part intact. And I will know where the heck everything came from. Alright, so I have this one, but I copied it over again. Right here's where I'm going to do all the multiplication. Okay, I'm going to leave this one blank, leave it nice and open and clean. Okay, let's see if you can figure it out. You gotta fill in each of these boxes, each of these squares here with the product. Okay. Let me do the first one. The top. Let me just do this. Maybe that might help you. Everybody agree? I gotta do what to get this one here? What do I have to multiply? I gotta do 5x times 2x, or 2x times 5x, right? 2x times 5x. So what's going to be here? You don't have to write it, but you can put what's the answer? What's the value here? 10x squared. Everybody agree?
Yes.
And then what has to be multiplied on this top right? 5x times 3. 5x times 3. Well, that's going to be 15x, yes? Yeah. And then don't mess up. What has to multiply to get this one down here? 2x. I thought you have never seen this before, or you figured it out. What's going to be there? 8x? And then what's going to be here? 3 times 4 or 4 times 3. Same thing, huh? Right? Because multiplication, it doesn't matter the order. You'll get the same answer. Everybody agree we got this? And that's 12, yes? That's like a 12. Now this is the answer. Actually, I'm sorry, that's not the answer. These are the terms that are going to be part of the answer. But there's going to be some that are like terms. So what I'm going to want you to do is actually write it over here. 10x squared plus 15x. Notice that is in descending order from highest degree. Remember that? But see, this x should not be under the x squared. See, that's why I want you to rewrite it. Where should this x be under? Does the x squared adds up with the x's? No. The x should be not under the 10, scooted over under the 15, and then put the 12 out to the right of that, out on the side over there. Okay, now we're going to get the answer. Anybody can give me the answer? 10x squared. Because 10x squared doesn't add with anything, but then when you add these, you get 23x, and then plus 12, right? That's the answer. Okay, let's do one more real quick. Number 2. Number 2. What if I put negative 4m take away 9 times 2m take away 7. Okay. This is 2 and this is 2, so 2 rows and 2 columns. So that's going to be a square. 2 rows, 1, 2, and 2 columns. Okay. Samantha, which one do you want over here on the top? Doesn't matter. Okay, she wants to go this way. If you already wrote it the other way, that's fine. We're going to put this first one over here and this one over here. Yeah. Okay, this is good. This is easy. This is quick. But don't watch the numbers, watch your signs, and watch the variables and the exponents. Okay, what goes in this one? Negative 8 m squared. Yeah? What goes on this one? Negative 18m. We're good? You guys see where I'm getting the numbers from? What I have to multiply? Okay. How about this one? Positive or negative? Yeah, negative 10, negative is positive. Okay, so positive 28m and a positive 63? Correct. Okay. That's it? No, that's not it. Like, these are the parts, but I'm gonna negative 8m squared minus 18m. Oh, okay. And then this 28m, I'm not gonna add it with this one. I'm gonna have to write it underneath the, over here, right? It goes under the m, right? The same variable, same degree? And the plus 63 is gonna be off to the side over there? Okay. Now you can combine like terms and get the answer here. I have negative 8m squared plus 10m plus 63. We got it? Yes. Okay, so now the problem is doing all this on delta math. Okay, so let me stop this video here.